Wagwan, vlog world, good morning. What's up, guys? Boy, Sanus coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan, peeps, and we there with another banger. I like French patty. Look, guys. Okay.
Guys,
you got infected. I got diseases. A joke on a diseases.
Guys, before don't show me.
You stupid.
Guys,
So we have to know missing. But anyway, peeps, all of them clips there, I'm gonna show you. But a little bit more. And today, like day 2 after the hurricane and thing, I give God thanks we were spared. You know what I mean? Other places weren't spared. I'm gonna show you.
Look like this.
I'm gonna show you other clips in the video. Well, after this, I'm gonna see what going on in Jamaica. Well, most place in Jamaica. And stuff like that. Most place in Jamaica. You better buy your Backy boy! Jesus! Bakatia. She go swat, man. I mean, what swat? She lost off on an old boy with muscle.
Shamar Moore.
Yeah, more with Shamar.
She's still in Manali there.
Bruh.
Where say that again?
No.
Where you coming on my vlog for? Nobody want to see you? You favor the floating bar down at St. Thomas sink. Go.
Emotional damage.
Go. Bye. Bye. So I go on vlog girls, so era 2 times now. Like go away. I try get the image them, pull them off, edit them up, for post them up with all little clippings and everything, but like go away. Come back, he go away. He come back and then he go away. Cause we say we are gonna do a long stream today, you know what I mean? Sign us in our vibes.
What?
Yeah man, but we there man, place hot though. Place hot like fire, I'm not telling my lie.
Guys, big breeze.
What is that? You see breeze or soap, idiot? Yeah. So we're going to wait till when that something I come back and then we can get it done, edit up and upload that thing every minute, flick in and flick out. What is wrong with you, JPS? Anyway, go and check out some more video, alright? Hey. Buckler, dog. Watch mouse, dog. Mouse flood out in a dog. Whole of the water from over the gully come down over in a community in a dog. Everybody house flood out in a dog. Look out the door, the water the eye. Watch it. The water is so we can drown in a dog. Buckler, dog. Watch it. Jah no Father God. Jah. everything mash up, dog. Everything, dog. Watch it. Gia.
Breton aka 85.